It is really easy to replace the pads on the 3M Optime headsets with your SightLines gel pads. I wanted to show you right here with the pads removed on this one side where an indentation is. So this indentation is right here. So what you need to do is make sure the headband is aligned in this orientation, not like this, okay? This is incorrect. This is correct right here, so that your screwdriver, this is a flathead screwdriver, can go inside and then pry in that direction. Because that's what we're going to do right here. Here's the pad. I'm going to insert my screwdriver, make sure that the headband is aligned in the correct orientation. I have inside that little indentation, and I can pry upward, and the pad has now released. We can discard that original pad, put the headset down for a moment, grab our SightLines gel pads. Normally you'd have two, but I've already taken these apart. Make sure to read your instructions. Sometimes it talks about how to use these correctly. We're going to inspect the pad, make sure there's nothing wrong with it, nothing's leaking. We're good to go. So now all we need to do is make sure that the relief cut is facing up, and we are going to align this groove into the headset. It snapped into place. There's nothing wrong with it. It's good to go. Then you can install your other pad and enjoy your new gel pads.